Kids, woo! Hey guys, what's up? It's Isaiah from Crazy Kids, and today I am back with another taste test. And today I came prepared, just in case I don't like the drink that I am trying. So, you see, right down there is 8 packs of water. So if I don't like it, I will open the thing and drink some water. So what I'm trying, which I think I'll like it because it looks really good, is berry Fanta. Like I'm sure a lot of you have tried it probably, but I just haven't because I never like really get it. I usually get like orange Fanta and stuff, but today I'm gonna try this. So yeah, let's go. Gotta open it. And I'm in the car if you're wondering right now. So now that it's open, got it like that. Let's try. Oh, it smells so good. Where have you been all my life? That thing's so good. Like, I know it's not new or anything, but I just haven't tried it. But it's so good. That felt good too. So, I really like this. I can really taste the berries, especially the blueberry that's in here. Because it's blue, so I'm guessing the main thing they put in there is blueberry, but it's really good. Oh my gosh. That's like a 10 out of 10. Best soda I've ever tried, probably. Man, that's so good. Like, that even beats out the Pitch Black Mountain Dew that I tried. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here and drink this. So I'll see you guys later. So this is Isaiah from Crazy Kids. I will see you next time.